Essential Guidelines for Master's Students Navigating a Data Science Research Project. Introduction. Embarking on a data science research project as a research year student can be an exciting yet challenging endeavor. You have gained solid foundations through your first year common subjects such as scientific communications and skills in science. To ensure the success of your project and make the most of your research journey, it's crucial to follow some fundamental guidelines. In this short video, we'll explore key best practices tailored for master's students working on data science research projects. You are assigned a mentor to facilitate and guide your project to fruition. Begin by establishing clear and achievable research objectives. Understanding the problem you aim to solve and setting measurable goals will provide a solid foundation for your project and guide your research efforts effectively. In the workplace, we need to build a solid team. In the academic context, you will be assigned a team for collaboration and group work. The assigned team that includes individuals with varying skills and expertise, your classmates who have worked and learnt together in the past year. Collaborate with peers who bring different perspectives, whether in data science, domain knowledge, or technical skills. You have experienced it firsthand in the project management module and understand the importance of keeping it to timelines. This diversity of teammates and the experiences they bring can enhance creativity and problem solving within your project team. Next is to prioritize open communication. Establish open and transparent communication channels within your team. Regular meetings, progress updates, and a shared project documentation platform can help streamline collaboration. Encourage questions and insights from team members to foster a supportive and productive research environment. You are assigned a case task, in this case on dengue as an infectious disease. A worrying problem that you will try to solve as a team. Work on the literature review first. This exercise helps you understand the basis of the project and where you are coming from. First up, you and your team needs to thoroughly understand your data sources. Take the time to thoroughly understand your data sources. Assess data quality, identify potential biases, and document any limitations. A clear understanding of your data is fundamental for building accurate models and drawing meaningful conclusions in your research. You also need to invest time in data cleaning and pre-processing. Allocate time for thorough data cleaning and pre-processing. Address missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies in your dataset. Clean and well pre-processed data form the basis for reliable models, and meticulous pre-processing significantly contributes to the success of your data science research. Just like in project management, allocation of tasks that are fair across the team is critical. You need to tap on the strengths and work towards adopting an iterative development approach. Embrace an iterative development approach by breaking down your project into manageable tasks and cycles. This allows for continuous refinement and improvement. Regularly reassess your goals and adjust your strategies based on your evolving understanding of the data and research problem. Platforms like Git offer a structured way to track changes, collaborate seamlessly, and revert to previous versions if necessary. This practice ensures an organized and efficient development process for your research project. Of course, in actual industry scenarios, you need to regularly evaluate and validate your models. Consistently evaluate and validate your models against predefined metrics. Use holdout datasets to assess model performance and avoid overfitting. Rigorous testing and validation are essential to ensure that your models generalize well to new, unseen data. But as this is an academic exercise, maintain detailed documentation. Document your work meticulously throughout the research project. Capture information on data sources, pre-processing steps, model architectures, and results. Clear documentation facilitates knowledge transfer, supports reproducibility, and ensures continuity if team members change. Next, consider ethical and privacy implications that might arise from your project. Address ethical considerations and privacy concerns proactively. Ensure compliance with data protection regulations and establish ethical guidelines for handling sensitive information. This approach builds trust and safeguards the integrity of your research project. The above are just some tips for you to make the best of your learning experience with our advanced research pathway. Embarking on a data science research project as a master's student is a valuable opportunity for hands-on learning and skill development. You'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges of your research, yielding more robust models, valuable insights, and a rewarding experience as you contribute to the field of data science.